Hello students, today I am going to deliver my lecture number 19, story number 1. Now, we will do dictation words of story number 1. First of all, we will make a title page, Broadway, Mall was boating, dictation words, literature. Dictation words. Number 1, ground. Number 2, suddenly. Number 3, surprised. Number 4, rivers. Number 5, wonderful. Number 6, picnic. Number 7, started. Number 8, happy. Number 9, short. Number 10, fell. Number 11, bought. Number 12, such. Number 13, fun. Number 14, basket. Number 15, jumped. Now we will do essay. First of all, we will make a title page, essay, myself, creative work, language. Myself, my name is. You will write your name here. My teacher's name is. You will write your teacher name here. I read in class 2. I go to the knowledge school, Kite campus. I live in Lahore. I am good at drawing. Now, your lecture is over.